Hi everyone, welcome to the channel Phone Transformer. In this video, I'll show you how to watch movies on iPhone so you can enjoy your favorite films anytime and anywhere. Now let's get started. Method 1, using subscription apps like Netflix, Disney Plus or Amazon Prime Video. Step 1, go to the App Store and download the app you want. This gives you access to a wide library of movies and shows. Step 2, open the app and sign in or subscribe if needed. This ensures you can access all the content your subscription provides. Step 3, browse the library and tap on a movie or show to play. This lets you watch instantly on your iPhone. Method 2, using free apps like Tubi, Pluto TV or Crackle. Step 1, search the App Store for the app you want and install it. This allows you to watch movies without a paid subscription. Step 2, open the app, find a movie you like and start watching. Note that ads may play before or during the movie. Step 3, enjoy your movie directly on your iPhone without needing a subscription. Method 3, renting or buying movies via the Apple TV app. Step 1, open the built-in Apple TV app on your iPhone. This app gives you access to movies, shows and Apple originals. Step 2, use the search tab to find the movie you want. This helps you locate exactly what you want to watch. Step 3, tap the buy or rent button and sign in with your Apple ID. This completes the purchase or rental and allows you to watch instantly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more simple and helpful iPhone tips.